Welcome again, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, the most trending topic of this time is easiest way to draw the Lewis structure. So, I choose sulfur trioxide to explain you how to draw the Lewis structure. So, we will see, and I choose this topic from Nelson Chemistry, and we will see a step-by-step guide. So we can easily draw, and you will, after watching this video, you will be able to draw Lewis structure. So first of all, the question is, what is Lewis structure? So Lewis structure is just electron dot electron representation as dots on elements or on molecules. So you can see as well as electrons on elements, just like hydrogen have 1 and aluminium has 3 on valence shell, carbon has 4 on its valence shell, and this is a hydrogen molecule. You can see it has this Lewis structure. Okay, so in this way we can see how we can draw easily the Lewis structure of molecules. So these were the elemental form, and we will represent the valence shell electron. Okay, so you have to remember that. So first of all, our question is, what is the Lewis structure of sulfur trioxide? So we have 1 sulfur atom and we should have 3 oxygen atom like this, and we have to arrange them first and then we have to draw its Lewis structure. So this is a compound we're gonna do today. Keep watching, and if you have any difficulty you can ask me in comment section. Okay, so step 1 is we have to arrange the sulfur trioxide in expected order. So if there is a 4 molecule, we should arrange it in trigonal shape. So you can see that I have arranged it in a trigonal shape. So now I have to arrange its electron. So see what would be our next question. So in next step, so our step 2 would be, we have to see that how much valence electron sulfur and oxygen do have. So do you know how we can count the valence electrons, the sulfur and oxygen? Do you have any idea? So we have 3 oxygen element and we do have 1 sulfur atom. So I am going to show you how we can see the valence electron. This is a trick. Look at the periodic table, and the group number shows the valence electron of elements. Just oxygen belongs to group 6, fluorine 7, nitrogen 5, this carbon number 4, and sulfur to 6 group. So that's why oxygen will have 6 electron, fluorine 7, nitrogen 5, carbon 4, and sulfur has 6 electron valence electrons. Okay, so now we are gonna write the valence electron. So you can see that first of all we have see the group numbers, and now we have predict the valence electron numbers. Okay, both oxygen and sulfur belongs to 6A. So there is 6 electrons. So there are 3 oxygen atom. So we will multiply by 3. So total will be 24 electrons. So in next step we have to arrange these 24 electrons on sulfur trioxide. So first of all we will draw the single bonds between sulfur and oxygen. So here you can see that this is sulfur and these are oxygen, and we have drawn first single bond, and single bond accommodated 6 electrons. So 6 electrons are accommodated, 18 electrons are still left. So in our next step we will see how we will accommodate these 18 electrons. So the rest of electrons we will show as a lone pair on oxygen. This is step 4. You have to do that question stepwise. You do not have to predict the structure spontaneously. So look, watch this. I am writing here sulfur and oxygen, and here I put first bond, and then I have shown its lone pair. Now you can see that oxygen must have a 3 lone pair, so that 24 electrons will be accommodated. So still 2 lone pairs left, that would be on this oxygen. Yeah, this is all 24 electrons accommodated. You can count them as well. So you will see that all are accommodated. 6 on bonds and rest 18 on as a lone pair. So in step 5 you have to check the octets. If our structure will be correct, all octets will be complete. So first of all, see the octet of oxygen. Yeah, it's complete, 2 in bonding and 6 as a lone pair. So octet of oxygen is okay. So next, see the octet of sulfur. No, sulfur do not have its complete octet. You can see that sulfur has only 6 electron. Its octet should be 8. Okay, So now we have to pay attention. What should we do for the next step? Can you guess what should we do in the next step to complete the octet of sulfur? So the next step will be, we have to put the lone pairs of oxygen, and now we have to move them as a bonding pair. You can see how it will be done. First of all, I will move every one pair to double bond from each oxygen. So it will have on left only two lone pairs on each oxygen, and they will form double bond. So this is the correct structure of sulfur trioxide: two bonds and two lone pair on oxygen. So you can count, there are all 24 electrons accommodated, and octets of oxygen and sulfur are fulfilled. So now again you can check all the things before confirming it as correct. So first of all, see if octets are complete. First of all, check the octet of oxygen. Oxygen has 4 as a lone pair and 4 as a bonding pairs. So all 24 electrons you can count here. Pause the video and count if all 24 electrons are accommodated. If these are accommodated, our structure would be correct. So in our next video, I will show you how, if there is another way for confirmation, like if your structure is correct or not. If if you like this video, you have to do that. You have to watch next video. I will show you. So this is our PCl3. So this is just, I give you the example. Valence electron of phosphorus is 5 and chlorine is 7. So this was 26 electron we have accommodated. So if you like our video, give us huge thumbs up, subscribe our channel and keep watching. And thanks again. Take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.